Rumors have circulated, and the former Ripple director Matt Hamilton has confirmed them, that the firm is about to make a severe decision. They will burn more than 14.5 billion XRP from their escrow. As of late, a Ripple representative has stated that the company is considering burning about 29 of the XRP it has in escrow, lending credence to the speculation that this may happen in 2024. Such an action would have far-reaching and significant consequences. The imminent burn has the potential to drastically decrease the overall supply of XRP, which might cause its price to skyrocket. We are currently in the first quarter of 2024, and the excitement about this possible burn is noticeable. The massive withdrawal of XRP from circulation has the potential to dramatically increase its value, maybe reaching hundreds of dollars per currency. The most noteworthy event in the Bitcoin space has grown from a development that was first hinted about on December 21st, 2023. With this monumental change almost upon us, it is more important than ever to comprehend the potential effects on your XRP holdings and how this may alter the digital asset market. There has been a consistent decline in the supply of XRP, with over 11.6 million XRP already burned. Ripple intends to burn a massive quantity of its XRP stored in escrow, about 29 billion XRP, which is about 29 of their total holdings. This is just one more layer of complication, according to recent sources. The market dynamics could be drastically changed by this decision, which is expected to have a major effect on XRP's value. At the same time, Ripple has been buying XRP in huge quantities, amassing more than 8.4 billion since they started their legal battle with the SEC. This may seem incongruous at first. According to Ripple, this approach is designed to keep the market in good shape. At first look, Ripple's strategy of simultaneously burning and purchasing XRP may seem confusing. However, this strategy is actually related to the complex legal issues surrounding Ripple's continuing lawsuit with the SEC in a possible behind-the-scenes settlement between Ripple and the SEC. A large burn of XRP from Ripple's escrow. A new market situation is about to unfold as a result of this planned drop in the total supply of XRP and the rapidly increasing demand for it. The requirement to buy XRP for operational needs, such processing payments over the Ripple net system, is growing exponentially as Ripple loses access to its huge escrow funds. Because of this, Ripple has started buying XRP again from the market and putting it in a different wallet, all while the escrow remains unaffected. Much debate has ensued in the cryptocurrency world about recent changes to Ripple's XRP strategy. Interestingly, out of the 1 billion XRP that were just released for cross-border payments, Ripple returned 80s to escrow and transferred the remaining 22 to a separate wallet. This is quite curious. As a result of this movie, rumors have circulated that Ripple and the SEC may have reached an arrangement in which Ripple would allocate 20 of its XRP for operational purposes while burning 80 in escrow. If verified, this would be in line with the forecasts of analysts and experts who have predicted a significant surge in the value of XRP. The logic stands. With a supply that has been significantly reduced, XRP is prepared to manage a huge demand, enabling approximately $1.2 quadrillion in payments. Because of this disparity, XRP's value is predicted to soar to unprecedented levels. US banks are showing a lot of interest in adopting XRP for digital transactions, according to a recent announcement by Ripple Labs, which follows their partial success over the SEC. The demand for XRP has been greatly enhanced by this triumph and the ensuing increase in institutional interest. There will be an even greater rush to get this digital asset if the planned large-scale burn of XRP cuts the supply in half. Several market watchers have speculated that XRP's reasonable near-term price might be around $352 due to the recent announcement from a large crypto trading fund to list the cryptocurrency. This has added to the momentum in the market, the increasing interest from institutions, the anticipated decrease in supply, and XRP's ability to process large-scale financial transactions are all factors in this price. Recent speculations have emerged indicating a significant achievement for Ripple Labs, which could only be characterized as a watershed moment in the cryptocurrency industry. XRP's value might skyrocket to an estimated $329 if the U.S. Congress's settlement offer to Ripple Labs EEO Brad Garlinghouse is accepted. Although it has not been officially confirmed, this news suggests that the legal situation with Ripple Labs is about to change significantly. When put in the perspective of what has happened recently with Binance, another big participant in the cryptocurrency market, this purported offer makes more sense. Binance is a platform. After being investigated by the US Securities and Exchange Commission, the exchange and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole finally got some good news when the SEC accepted a settlement offer. The fact that Binance and the SEC were able to reach a settlement rather than continue drawn out legal disputes is indicative of the SEC's present stance. It would appear that Ripple Labs is also following this strategy. Stuart Alderoty, Chief Legal Officer of Ripple, informed us that Ripple Labs had received a comparable settlement offer from the SEC. This information was revealed during our investigation into the matter. The offer and Ripple's reaction are under wraps for the time being, but they might have far-reaching consequences. The value of XRP may surge to $352 by the end of 2024, according to experts, if Ripple agrees to this settlement. We will now go into the meat of today's talk, which is the CEO of Ripple's comments regarding the settlement offer from the SEC. This new information is quite important, particularly in light of the mounting pressure on ESC Chairman Gary Gensler to resolve the litigation as soon as possible from lawmakers in the US. This is a watershed moment for Ripple as it navigates these legal waters. In a recent story, quoting Stuart Alderoty, dives into it. The article stresses how this possible settlement might change Ripple's course and consequently XRP's value. Stuart Alderoty, the chief legal officer of Ripple, made an illuminating revelation that covered the early phases of Ripple's legal dispute with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. According to Alderoty, Ripple Labs was offered a settlement before the SEC formally sued the company. This first proposal sought to have Ripple accept the conditions set out by the SEC in order to avoid litigation. Nevertheless, Ripple rejected this offer. This offer was turned down by Ripple because they were confident in their position and knew they would win. Importantly, this finding shows that the SEC preferred an early settlement over a protracted litigation struggle. The CSC is facing increasing difficulties in the lawsuit and is willing to settle, especially after losing a crucial ruling that classified XRP as not a security for ordinary investors. There is a growing sense of urgency to find a solution as more and more government and business entities embrace the XRP ledger. A settlement that takes into account Ripple's position and the broader consequences for XRP's legal standing is currently being pushed on the SEC. Reportedly, members of Congress in the United States have started putting pressure on Gary Gensler, who is the head of the SEC, to end the Ripple litigation. The increasing demand for XRP may be seen in the increasing acceptance of its technological value, especially after its incorporation in the FedNow payment system. An increasing number of government officials are coming around to the idea that XRP is not a security. The expected spike in XRP's value is driving the growing recognition of its potential to produce new billionaires. The XRP ledger's underlying technology is becoming more widely used, and more organizations are seeing its potential for digital transactions, which is likely to drive this spike. Recent XRP listing by the Crypto Trade Fund has been a catalyst, indicating a decrease in supply and an increase in demand, adding to the momentum. The listing is considered a major factor in pushing the price of XRP to the predicted $352 per coin, demonstrating the importance of institutional adoption in determining the value of digital assets. That's all for now.